What if I told you one of the most powerful exercises requires no gym, no equipment, and barely any movement? Meet the plank. This simple hold builds strength, improves posture, and boosts your metabolism. Let's break down why planking daily can transform your body. Core strength isn't just about abs. It's about a deep network of muscles that stabilize your entire body. Planking activates your abs, obliques, and back all at once, creating a strong foundation for every movement you make. A strong core protects your spine, improves movement, and helps prevent injury. Planks strengthen your back without risky bending or twisting. By holding a straight line, you train your back, core, and glutes to support your spine, reducing pain and improving posture. It's a safe, effective way to build a resilient back, especially if you sit all day. Planking strengthens the muscles that keep you upright, counteracting slouching from hours at a desk. Better posture means less pain, more confidence, and a stronger presence, physically and mentally. Stand taller, feel better, and project confidence with this simple move. Planks engage multiple muscle groups, burning more calories than you'd expect. More muscle means a higher metabolism, even at rest, helping you burn fat around the clock. It's a smart, sustainable way to boost your metabolic engine. Planks train your stabilizer muscles, improving balance and coordination for sports and daily life. A stable core means fewer injuries and better performance, whether you're an athlete or just carrying groceries. Better balance keeps you safer and more agile as you age. So, you're incorporating planks into your routine. That's fantastic. But a common question arises: how long should you actually hold a plank to reap the maximum benefits? Is there a magic number? Let's dive into the details and find out what truly matters when it comes to planking. The key takeaway here is that quality beats quantity every single time. Holding a perfect plank with impeccable form for just 20 seconds is significantly better than trying to muscle through a sloppy minute with your back sagging and your core disengaged. You're not doing yourself any favors with poor form. When you're starting out, focus on building a solid foundation. Start with short, strong holds, aiming for somewhere in the 15-30 second range, and gradually build up the duration as you get stronger and your core muscles adapt. Consistency is key to seeing real progress. Instead of striving for one long, grueling plank, consider incorporating multiple sets of perfect planks into your routine. These multiple sets are far more effective than one long, shaky hold, where your form deteriorates and you risk injury. Above all, listen to your body and pay attention to the signals it's sending you. Focus on consistent progress and improvement rather than chasing arbitrary records or comparing yourself to others. Your fitness journey is unique to you. Planks are often touted as a fantastic core exercise, and for good reason. They're accessible to a wide range of fitness levels, requiring no equipment and minimal space. You can do them virtually anywhere. They're efficient, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, and low impact, making them gentle on your joints. This makes planks a great option for people who are new to exercise, or those who are recovering from injuries. But, and this is crucial, planks are only beneficial if your form is solid. Proper alignment is key to reaping the rewards and avoiding potential pitfalls. Poor form, such as sagging hips or a rounded back, can strain your back, potentially leading to discomfort or even injury. It's important to maintain a straight line from head to heels. Holding your breath or straining excessively during a plank can also spike your blood pressure, which is something to be mindful of, especially if you have pre-existing cardiovascular conditions. So be mindful of your body and listen to its signals, especially if you have underlying health concerns. If you're unsure about your form, consider working with a trainer or watching instructional videos. Planks are a great tool for building core strength and stability, contributing to better posture and overall functional fitness. But to achieve well-rounded fitness, it's important to combine them with cardio exercises like running, swimming, or cycling. And don't forget dynamic exercises such as squats, lunges, and push-ups, which challenge your muscles through a full range of motion. This combination of exercises will contribute to a balanced routine that targets all aspects of your physical fitness. Think of planks as one piece of your fitness puzzle, a valuable component, but not the entire picture. A holistic approach to fitness is always the most effective. Let's talk about nailing the perfect plank. It's a foundational exercise, and getting the form right is crucial to avoid injury and maximize its benefits. For a perfect plank, begin by setting up your foundation. Keep your body in a straight line, from the crown of your head all the way down to your heels. Imagine a straight line running through your entire body, This ensures that the correct muscles are engaged and that you're not putting undue stress on any one area. And keep your core tight. Think about drawing your belly button in towards your spine. This activates your deep abdominal muscles, providing stability and support. Don't let your hips sag. This is a common mistake that can put strain on your lower back. Keep your core engaged to maintain that straight line, or let your butt rise. Avoid piking your hips up towards the ceiling. This takes the focus off your core and reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. Engage your glutes and quads. Squeeze your glutes and tighten your thigh muscles. This helps to stabilize your body and further activate your core. Keep your neck neutral. Avoid craning your neck up or letting your head droop down. Look at a spot on the floor slightly in front of your hands to maintain a natural alignment, and breathe steadily. Don't hold your breath. Focus on taking slow, controlled breaths throughout the exercise. Use a mirror or video to check your form, especially when you're first starting out. It's helpful to get visual feedback to ensure you're maintaining proper alignment. Remember, quality always wins. It's better to hold a perfect plank for a shorter amount of time than to struggle through a longer plank with poor form. Focus on precision, and you'll reap the rewards. Planks aren't for everyone. Avoid them if you're pregnant, have recent back or shoulder injuries, or uncontrolled high blood pressure. If you're unsure, consult a doctor or physical therapist before starting. There are safe alternatives and modifications for most people. Always put your health first. The plank is a simple move with big benefits: strength, posture, metabolism, and balance. Start with perfect form progress gradually, and share your journey in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next one.